All right, I am back with another short horror film reaction, and this one's called Vice Grip. I have no idea what it's about. I just see the creepy dude in the fucking thumbnail. So I'm going to react to this. It's 17 minutes long. Hopefully, it's good. The last one wasn't nuts about. So let's see what this is about. So let's get ready. Good intro. Just chilling by the pool. It's never good in a horror movie. Turn off my fan. Stick my hair up. She's gonna see something she don't want to see. Snap share. Around. Did they just move to the house? Oh, I see it. No, you don't, bro. Phony. Oh shit. That'd be funny if the thing commented, "You look high. I want to get to know you." Look like a succubus or something.
Have you ever wanted to become a lucid dreamer? What if I told you there was a way to take control and avoid your nightmares? What's up, my favorite people? Christy Lure here, and today's video is sponsored by Boost Light Inc., so you should check them out for all your SEO needs. So today I'm going to give you some tips on dreaming, because like many of you guys, I've struggled with getting a good night's rest. I was having nightmares all the time, but I overcame it with lucid dreaming. So lucid dreaming is where you
I think I had experience with that lucid dreaming.
You can take control. And there are very simple ways to learn how to do it. My method that I use was word association. Basically, you just practice any phrase over and over and over until you begin to associate that phrase with reality. The idea being is that when you say the phrase in your dream, you're asleep.
So it's like somewhat Inception, where Leo spins the little thing to know if he's in a dream or not. Spoilers. You know, that came out like 6 years ago. It was all a dream. It's to be magazine. Does she live by herself, or is she or her parents out of town? Yeah, Pretty unique. Pretty much like leaving breadcrumbs.
I'm not anything. We were circling the neighborhood for like 30 minutes, and I'm finally like, dude, it's the biggest house on the street. How do you not find it? Oh, but anyways, thank you so much for inviting me over, Phoebe. I'm such a huge fan. And when I heard that you watch my content, I just.
Oh, so she's an influencer.
But seriously, it really means a lot. And it's amazing to be here.
And she's an influencer of that kind of house?
I wanted to ask something, and forgive me, I don't know, it just, it doesn't make any sense to me. Where is everyone?
Oh, you're in a dream.
You have millions of fans, and yet you're all alone? You know, I think
Big fat phony. Looks like a sleep paralysis demon. Oh shit.
When it comes to reading, I see everybody this mistake. They think tricks like the mild method only answers, but I can tell you there's much more to it than that. Hey everybody, Sim here about your favorite health advice.
Hey Ricky.
We're talking about getting better sleep. Recently, I was having a ton of nightmares, and it was causing me tons of stress. I wanted to take control of the dreams. But then I realized that not only would I have to train my mind, I'd also have to protect my physical health as well. And that meant sticking to a strict diet, no processed foods, no sugar, no alcohol. Cut all of that out of your life immediately.
That's no
If you
fun.
want to take control of your dreams, you're going to have to condition your body. So make sure you start that right away. Any amount of
Seriously, she has 3 million followers? What does she do though? I mean, again, I don't judge influencers, but it's like, what does she do? Does she sell makeup, or is she literally just a person who's famous for existing? Is she like friends? Is she like an influencer to the stars? Like a You're a phony. A great big phony.
Now exhale slowly. Good. You feeling better? Great. Let's jump into some cardio. Get that blood pump. Come on.
Yeah, I got an idea.
Oh,
Some blood
and
pumping.
I just wanted to say thank you so much for reaching out. I am a big fan, and think you're awesome. I've trained a lot of celebrities and influencers before, and some of them are just so full of themselves. You know? I mean, sometimes they are so arrogant they think that they can do anything. Some of them even think they can control their dreams.
I mean, that was kind of predictable.
No, you're different. Are you?
Seriously, what do you do?
I see this all the time in my comments where Russian talks about this. People are desperate to find a way to fight back in their night. It makes sense. You know, they want to take back control. Why wouldn't they? The problem is nobody knows Dream anymore. Okay? No one has like a vision or pursuit. Just likes, comments, share, subscribe. All this is nonsense. It's absolutely meaningless. Nothing of substance behind it. And that's not a dream, folks. That's a nightmare. The nightmare of a phony.
Alec, stop! Okay, you really should stop reaching out to other influencers because this dude's fucking influencing them. Shit. Girl, stop going on the internet for your problems. It's not gonna work. I mean, she can't post anything anymore because her face is I mean, that's her life, is to get more likes and views.
That's not a dream. That's a nightmare.
Okay, she's in a dream because there's no way she would have cleaned up her face that fucking fast. She's obviously in a dream. Or maybe she put toner. I mean, yeah, but how are you going to be able to afford to keep, I guess, living here? You thought we were done? I have your phone. Your biggest weakness.
You can take control.
But you can't because you're a big fat phone. You don't control me, I control you.
Gotcha.
Nice. Yeah, I'm on your side. I'm on your side the whole time. Okay. All right, that wasn't bad. That was a lot better than the last one. There was more story to it. I don't mean to sound pretentious, but there's more of a deeper meaning to it, which was this girl who I still don't know what she does. I know she's an influencer, but what does she do exactly to afford a place like that? The meaning is, her depression, or I guess this inner meaning of, do I really deserve this? Am I genuine? Do people really like me? Do I need to be like this to make it in life? And she was finally able to control this like inner demon in her that was telling her, you're not good enough, you're not pretty enough, you're a phone, pretty much. Someone's probably gonna tell me I'm wrong in the comments, and feel free to. But I like that. That was pretty good. Not so much scary, creepy, unsettling at some moments. I thought the ending was really good. How she was able to take control of her demons, pun intended. So, but again, post your comments down below and let me know what you think. Subscribe also, and again, I'll be making more of these. So, anyways, peace out and take care.